Good morning, what's going on? Wow, started off quick there. Monday morning, I guess it's 8 o'clock when y'all are seeing this video, but man, it's nobody on the roads. It rained it like hell last night. It's gonna be a good day though. We're gonna get this, we're gonna get it today. It's Monday. I love Mondays. It's a whole nother week of opportunities, and y'all need to see it that way. Coronavirus or not, it's a whole nother week of opportunities, and we're gonna make today the best day that we can. And then we're gonna wake up and do the same thing tomorrow. Make tomorrow the best that we can. So I hope you guys are ready for another awesome daily vlog with the gang, with the bread gang. We're gonna get it today, regardless. So I hope you guys are excited. Stay tuned. What are we? Daily vlog, daily bread 17. All right, so I got good news and I got bad news. The bad news is popcorn machine is out of order. Yeah, so we got no popcorn today, or at the moment. We may get it started again.
Don't give up hope.
The good news is I've already eaten my lunch for today and it's 9:15 because there's no popcorn. So I mean, good news and bad news. But I told you guys yesterday that me and Lance are gonna pick the winner of this giveaway today. So let's get started. These are troubling times at work right now. The popcorn machine is officially out of order. I don't know what we're gonna do. I don't know what we're gonna do. And to make matters worse, I sent we put in an order at Kroger the other day, and applesauce was on the order. You guys know I like my applesauce. And this is what they send us. They didn't even send us the real applesauce. What am I supposed to do with this nonsense? Things are getting rough today. Absolutely. I don't know how much longer I can hold on. Unfortunately, Lance is not here, not able to make it. He's got a more important engagement apparently. So we've got Jake here today that's gonna pick the winner, the hat and the jam handles. So, recap, you get 2 black jam handles and a custom bread gang hat. Everybody likes custom bread gang hats, right? All right, so here's how we're gonna do this. Jake is gonna pick any one of these videos. These are like my most recent 10 videos. I would say skip that one, but any of the next 4. Pick one of those. Any of those.
Need custom wrap.
We're gonna do that one. That one got 84 comments, hell yeah. So all you have to do, again, Jake does not know who any of these people are. So all you have to do is scroll through until you find one that says done and you like it. Who is it gonna be? Who is it gonna be?
Hunter Still.
Hunter Still. Hunter Still is the winner of the hat and the jam handles. Can we see that? Can we see that? Hunter Still. Yeah, I'm sure y'all. Hunter Still, you have, wait, today's Monday. I was gonna say you got till Monday. Just message me on Instagram. Hopefully you still watch the videos. I'll give you a couple days, maybe till Wednesday or Thursday, but you were the winner of the 2 jam handles and the bread gang hat. So huge shout out to Hunter Still for watching the videos.
Hell yeah.
And thank you to my lovely assistant today. Message me on Instagram, you won. Well, I'm a little upset because it rained last night and it seems that my yard is the only yard that has sticks everywhere. Sticks, and it's probably the stupid ass tree that's right here. But anyway, so I've got a couple things I need to do tonight. I have to, one, huge shout out to the winner of the giveaway. Huge shout out to that guy, Hunter Hill, I believe it was. I have to finish up the Tahoe, so I put the bolts on top, I put the bolts on the bottom, but my 7mm socket was messing up, so I got one from work. We're gonna get those finished up. The light bulb underneath my microwave is messing up, so I gotta take the whole bottom side of the microwave off just to get to this bulb. And the bulb was actually broken off into the socket and it shocked the hell out of me last night, so I gotta get that out. And then I'm gonna tell you guys about the boost auto parts, the wiring for the boost auto parts mirrors that I think I figured out today. So let's get started. Shoes with no socks, always the move. All right, now that that's done, let's try not to shock the hell out of myself again on the microwave. Do the deep dish combo mambo. So we got wine and pizza. I had to interrupt my my microwave project for a minute because it was time to get something to eat, and I was hungry, so that can wait. But I do want to get y'all's opinion on something real quick. and this is something that I've started doing recently that my coworkers kind of told me about, and Christine actually told me about a long time ago, but I've just now started to get into it. What kind of gas do y'all put in your trucks? For literally until maybe a week ago, I'd been putting 87 in my truck till the end of time, and I know a lot of y'all are probably gonna flame me in the comments, and that's okay. That's okay. We keep it real on this channel. I don't lie to you guys. I don't lie to you. We're like family here. So I've been putting 87 in my truck, and I've just now escalated up to 89, and I've kind of noticed a difference, or maybe it's just me thinking there's a difference. I don't know. You know, let me know what you guys do in the comments. You know, obviously if your truck is tuned or anything like that, you're gonna put 93 in your truck, or you're gonna put 89 in your truck, or you're gonna put the E85 or the 100 or whatever. You know, obviously I don't put diesel in it because that doesn't help anything, but you know, let me know what you guys do. For a stock 5.3, do you put 87, 89? Do you recommend 93? What are the pros? What are the cons? Let me know. Obviously it costs more, but I've been told that it really helps the performance of your truck, and I've kind of noticed a performance boost in the truck since I started doing 89. So within the next week or so, I'm gonna let it flush through 89 a little bit, and then I'm gonna jump into the 93 and then give you guys another update once I feel like that's cycled through the system. I definitely think it's kind of gotten a little bit of a, you know, performance boost, not like 100 horsepower or anything ridiculous, but maybe, and probably not even any horsepower at all, but I think that the truck is just running a little bit better. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. Well, today's been a pretty solid day. Let me know what you guys think about the whole gas situation. If I should, you know, keep it with 89 or jump to 93, or you know, whatever. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I will be starting a new giveaway soon. I haven't figured out what I'm gonna do yet, but I do have a couple ideas, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. Say goodnight to the old bow tie over there. Night, bye bye. Well, daily bread number 17 in the books. I'm gonna go celebrate with popping chocolate milk bottles. I'm gonna go pop that bottle open and take me a nice swig. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. As always, let's get this bread.